Wait, Pinterest is up to 30%? No way. Well, let me check that. No freaking way. Another 30%? No, old news. We already knew this. I'm opening up the live chat on my phone, so hold on. Give me one moment. I'm watching an ad on my own video. Oh my god. Whatever. Alright, so let's go back to the stock market. Checking the live chat now. Stock market is about to open in about 30 minutes, so that is going to be super exciting. Tesla is going up slightly, which is nice. We predicted something like that. You can see the technicals. I'm gonna check my hair a little bit. My hair is fine. I just took a shower, so that might be a thing. Hold on, I got something to drink over here. Got some iced tea. Very nice. You gotta keep drinking that liquid. Gotta stay hydrated, you know. Oh my god, I'm getting cold. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna sound pretty weird. Pretty. Yeah, I don't know. Not so nice. I was called by my mother. Okay, let's just get that over with. So yeah, I think the markets are gonna go up significantly higher from here. Pretty much. I think there's gonna be a huge rally towards the end of the year. It's gonna follow the trend line, definitely. This looks perfect. This looks perfect for a rally. Perfect. I'm telling you, perfect. Repeat it with me. Perfect rally. Perfect rally, right? This is going to be a perfect rally. We got 8 people watching the live stream. Welcome to the live stream, guys. I am Lucid Trading. You probably already know me. We do technical and fundamental analysis, although I do a lot more technical analysis than the fundamental analysis, so we'll be doing more fundamental analysis in the future once I start getting good at it, because I am not the best at fundamentals right now. So, good morning to you, Kramer. A 300,504. Oh, that's such a weird name. Morning to you, Melvin Shortage. Shortage. I'll check Zoom for you. If you want Zoom, you get Zoom, you know? Is this Zoom? Dude, Zoom looks like Tesla. In some way, it looks a little bit like Tesla. Zoom is bottoming. I think Zoom is bottoming. I still think Zoom is bottoming. MACD is bottoming on the 1 hour. RSI is low. 4 hour, we see, oh boy, that's not nice. Never mind. Zoom is going to go sideways because of the market correction. We're still going to see a pump to the upside. You know how Zoom goes, you know. Yeah, it's about to go. It's about to bottom. Let me close the door. Yeah, Zoom looking like a buy right now, definitely. I would say Zoom is a buy. A lot of people say it will down to no. I don't think it's gonna go down. Nah, I think it will down to 500, like maximum, 510, 500, 513. I don't think it's gonna go down below 500. That wouldn't make sense. That wouldn't make sense at all. That would basically mean, hey, the markets are crashing. That doesn't make sense. Um, wait. I've joined now. All right, this should be good. This is the Patreon. If you want to support my channel, Patreon link down below. How many people are watching? 13 people. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. Today we're going to be doing some stock analyses. So if you have any kind of requests, then let me know. We'll do some stock requests. We'll do some stocks, like analysis. Okay, Hari Krishnan V says, please tell me your Amazon prediction. I think Amazon is going to go up either on earnings or a little bit before earnings. And I already made a video about it, so you should definitely check that out. Video is on the channel. But Amazon is looking good. About to go up significantly higher. Let me check Amazon for you. Yeah, it's still a... Oh, it's actually... Oh, yeah, it went up 1%. Yeah, it's looking good. It's definitely going to go up. I mean, it has earnings today. We had a huge correction. We should be fine with Amazon. I wouldn't worry too much about Amazon. It's looking very fine. We had the worst right there. This was the bottom, and now we're gonna head towards higher highs, or at least we're not gonna go lower. Tesla $600 by end of the year. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, maybe even a little higher. Could be. Glenn Altman said that. Melvin says Apple. Yeah, I actually sold a little bit of Apple to buy Tesla because Tesla went down a little bit lower than Apple. So I bought some Tesla with my Apple. Apple looking like it's still going on the trajectory that we said it would. For now, it's looking like it's going to go sideways though. So let me retrace this. Yeah, it still looks like it's going to do something similar towards the 113 and then towards the 115 and etc. We just have to pray that the markets don't go down significantly like before. I mean, right now we're at 3,270, right? Or are we lower than that? Because I think it's not updated yet. Archie says, you think sell NIO when it peaks soon or keep long term? Well, that depends on you, If you like to hold NIO for long term, you should hold it. However, personally, I think NIO is a little bit overvalued right now, short term. So a good move would be to sell a bit of NIO, potentially invest in other opportunities like AMD, because AMD is down a lot. Look at AMD. Look at it down there. Look how cute it is. $76.6. Down from $85. All-time high at around... That's not even the all-time high. I think it was even higher, right? There we go. All-time high around 94.25. So we got like 30% upside at the least with AMD. And they have good news coming out. Q4 is going to be good. I would personally sell some NIO, put it into AMD stock, see where it goes. But yeah, that's me, I would do that. I'm going to check my stocks real quick. Oh, they're going fine. They're doing fine. Markets are starting to go up again. They went negative very briefly, but markets are going up again. So unfortunate. Why can I not see the SPX is closed? So maybe I need to like S&P 500 Yeah, I need to get to the futures possibly, or maybe is this the same one? Is this one? No, this is not updated either. Hold on. Maybe it's this one. Hold on. Is this one updated? We're at 300. I think this could be the one. Could this be the one? Yeah, this is probably the one. Let me draw some lines. We did breach some support line. That's very ugly. Actually, let's just... Oh, hold on. I'm going to draw a couple support and resistances. Guys, while I'm doing this, give me some stock requests. I'll analyze them for you. I'm having a tough time with this one. Checking the live chat briefly. Yeah, this is gonna take like a couple seconds. This is very important because this way we could get ourselves some guidance to where the price action is gonna be at. Okay. You know, for now this could be fine. This could be fine. I'll just do another couple big ones. That's a big one. That's a very big one. There. There. And I would say this could be potentially very big. Right, okay, so we got the support and resistance lines set up. Now we just need a trend line to give us even more guidance. That's not the trend line, actually. I need to use a different tool. This one, the trend line. I'm checking the chat right now. AMD, BA, Tesla. Could you check C Limited, Delta Airlines? Is this the guy who flipped 600 to 30,000? Wow, I'm getting acknowledgement. I need to zoom out, but I can't zoom out. What is this? What the frick? What is this? Is it okay? It is loading. It's just very slow for some reason. All right, I'm gonna have to skip that. I'm gonna go to the daily to do the trend line. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't show me further. Okay, that's fine. I'll just need to look at this part for us to make any kind of prediction. All right. Where would we draw the trend line? That's the question. I got it. Then we move it a little bit down there. And then we'll have to do this. Does this work? Let's just do that, yeah. See if it's properly done. Yeah, okay, this is fine. This is fine. Right, so now we go back to the 30 minutes. 30 minutes looking very messed up. Hold on. Let me just scroll out a little bit. There we go. So we got ourselves the trend line. I'll just to fix this up. All right, this is where we are at right now. We are dipping down. We're in pretty dangerous territory, right? Because if this goes lower, that's not good. That is the. But we're seeing a similar. This is so similar. Let me grab the brush. This is literally the bottom. Unless there is some more negative news, we bottomed the same way right there, and then we bounced just like that. Same pattern. You see that? This W will have the same pattern, and we'll bounce off of this trend line the same way that we did before, and then we'll probably go towards higher highs. Well, it would probably... Would it look like that? No, it wouldn't look like that. It would look like this. And then it would go slowly, ever bit by bit. And right. This could be the bottom. I mean, why wouldn't this be the bottom? Let's be real. Doesn't this look like a bottom? If you look at the trend line the past months, I mean, it wouldn't make sense for this to not be the bottom. We came very close to this trend line several times. This is a solid trend line. Sometimes we go below it, it happens. You see that? I think it was in March, yeah? But this trend line is very consistent. Very, very consistent. I would think that this trend line is going to hold. And everybody's panicking, retail is panicking. That is definitely a signal. Oh wow. 37 people are watching, guys. Welcome to the channel. I'm live streaming right now. Obviously, I analyze the stock market and I analyze stocks from the technical perspective, and I try to give you guys the best guidance of the near-term and long-term future of stocks. Now, if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit the thumbs up, you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. You'll get a notification whenever I go live and whenever I upload a analysis. So make sure you do that. And on top of that, guys, if you want to support my channel, you can do this on the Patreon, where you can gain a lot of benefits like early access consultations, buy and sell signals, and I'll even teach you in the consultations. So many options here. Feel free to donate, and you don't have to do this, but it would really help out the channel. On top of this, guys, there's a link towards the Discord, which is free. You can join the Discord right now. It is a awesome community. We got about 200 members right now, and we're just really cool, and we talk about trading and investing and finance. So if you like that stuff, hit the link down below towards the Discord. Right. So back to the stock market. I'm gonna read you. I'm gonna read the thingies. The stock requests. AMD. All right, so AMD, guys, come on. Come on, guys. AMD, I'll do some AMD. I already told you guys that AMD is a huge buying opportunity, and I believe it's gonna go up significantly. Like it's gonna go up so freaking high, 30 to 40%. It's gonna reach 100. It's gonna reach $100 at the end of the year if the stock market does not crash. I'm so certain about this. I'm gonna just pour some iced tea. Had it right here. Jake Echo says, trying to plug his Patreon at 30 viewers. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. I actually think that my Patreon is actually very cheap. Like, I'm gonna be real with you. 3 years ago, when I wanted to get help in trading at all, there were these people on YouTube. They were like, "Hey, join my course. It's only $100 every video, or $100 every month." You know, I'm just like, hey, if you are a Patreon subscriber, which you could be for like €3, I'll give you some advice what I think is going to be happening, and I mean that is super cheap. So I don't know if I could. I'm plugging myself. Like I should be like, yo guys, for $50 you can get this kind of video. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to scam anyone. I'm just trying to be nice, honestly. Trying to offer a bit of value against a reasonable price. So I'm gonna check the stocks right now that you guys are throwing me. Okay, so Tesla. Markets are about to open in about 15 minutes. Super exciting. Oh, Tesla's going up. Just like we said. Just like we said, guys. Yeah, we're dipping, and then we'll go back to the trend line. MACD is recovering. You can see that. You can see this, the first green candle right there. Sign of recovery. We'll see a rally towards the 430s. Like I said in the video, if you watch the video, we'll have a nice rally if the stock market doesn't tank again. I don't think it's going to tank. We had a correction. The correction corrected that. Basically, we're now prepared for a Joe Biden victory. And on top of this, we're prepared for a partial lockdown. That's what the stock market corrected for. The reason I think that that's the case is because the Federal Reserve is pumping up the stock markets $40 billion per month. And I don't think any kind of correction could have happened because of anything else but the fact that Joe Biden could potentially win the election. And on top of that, COVID worsening a little bit. And then, when Biden becomes president, he would probably get us into a lockdown, which then would result into lower GDP growth, and the kind of things that would drop the stock market. Check on Fastly, thanks. Chad Santa Ana says, "Good morning from San Francisco, bro." Good morning, man. Good morning. I hope you're having a nice morning so far. BA, wasn't that Boeing? Boeing Airlines or something? Boeing Air? I don't know. Let's check BA. Yeah, Boeing, there we go. Looking bearish. I would say Boeing is a buying opportunity right now. We're at like the... Yeah, Boeing is a small buying opportunity for the long term. But yeah, it's a small buying opportunity. I would dollar cost average, but I would stay away from Boeing for now because you never know what will happen in the winter. You never know. Nobody's gonna fly anymore, so nobody's they're not gonna order airplanes, etc. Good morning, George Garcia. Or is it Yorgi? Yorgi? I don't know. Sorry. Good morning from Los Angeles. Morning from Miami. Morning, everyone. Like, it's. I am not in the United States. My accent is like. It sounds like it a little bit that like I'm from the United States, but I am from the Netherlands, Europe. I do want to go to the United States, possibly live there in the future. I would love to live in New York. That would be crazy, but that's just like a future plan. Whatever, 10 years from now, maybe. You know, it's a maybe. George is good. Ah, cool. This is not booze. This is iced tea, by the way. Fastly. If you guys have any stock requests, then make sure you drop it down below in the live chat. Would really appreciate that. Also, I'm just gonna do whatever I want to do, which is fine too, you know. Wow, Fastly, what is happening? Earnings was not so very well. It was exciting, but then we dropped because the markets, the markets was not that good. I thought we would go higher though. Honestly, I said if the earnings are good, that we would go significantly higher. We did go higher, but just not the amount I said it would. But it's also partially the reason because like here we had the market correcting like 3.5%. So if that would have not happened, then my prediction would have probably come true. Look at that! Look at that move! Wow. You would have thought that it would go lower than this, right? But I guess earnings were so good that Fastly just nailed it. I guess I think Fastly is a buy at this price, especially if the markets start correcting. Then Fastly would be a great buy for the longer term. Yeah, Amazon is good, Apple is good, AMD is good. Shamshir. MSZ's Lifestyle says Nvidia. Let's check Nvidia. I think Nvidia is a little overpriced. Oh, that's Nvidia. Okay. Is it going like we said it would? I've previously had an analysis for it. No, it's not because of the market crashing. Great. Well, I'll just do this then, if that's possible. Yeah, we're about to go sideways and then we'll go up. Oh, RSI was predicted. MACD was sort of. I mean, it looks like it's gonna go that way. Ooh, we are like pretty negative. Wow. It was it. Oh, this was the all-time high, right? 586. Yeah, we have. We could go lower with Nvidia. We could potentially go back to around 480s, 490s, but that would be the lowest I would see it go. We already drew this at so like 480s, 490s, around this range, and then we'll go up towards earnings for 17th of November. Would make sense. I mean, we would see a rally. Like, we could go lower, but right now it seems like we're going to have a bit of a bullish pressure. We could have some sideways movement, and then we have some upwards movement towards earnings. And then earnings comes around, we go up again, we go down. Something similar to that. Yeah, this is like a stretch, like honestly. I misclicked something. Trump 2020. I don't know. It seems like Joe Biden is winning so far. Like the polls and like people are like really they really want Joe Biden to be president, I guess. Which is a bit bad for us if that happens, because that would pretty much tank the stock market a couple percent. Like I would say 2% because we already had a big correction. So if we would go up today and tomorrow, then yes, we could see a 2% correction next week if Biden becomes president. However, if Trump's becoming president, then you could expect like significant up moves. Like we could rally 10% until the end of the year, maybe more. Okay, so the markets are about to open. Wow, that's exciting, guys. Markets opening doesn't happen all the time, eh? Let me just go to the S&P that we were at. Can we find it one? Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Right, so this one is tracking it live. I believe it's tracking it live. So which stock would you like me to watch for the next 5 to 10 minutes? Would it be the S&P 500? Would it be Tesla, Apple, Amazon, AMD? Just tell me in the live chat. Okay, you guys want to see the SPY? We'll look at the SPY for now then. I think it's nice to watch the what is it? Hold on. We're gonna look at the 3 minutes, or maybe even the 1 minute. If the 1 minute's okay, cool. That's the 1 minute. Is there a 30 seconds or something like that? Oh wow, there is. I'm too cheap. So sad. I'm gonna get it though soon. I'm probably gonna get a better trading chart platform. You know, I'll upgrade very soon. Is this the 3 minutes? Yeah, we're gonna go to the 1 minute. Okay, so far it's going in the good direction, right? Let's keep going. We see that the MACD is a little bit bearish right now. RSI is neutral, so it could go both ways at this moment. GDP was good and jobs rebounded. Green days. We'll see about that. I do believe we're going to see green days. We're now going to start pricing in Q4. We're not looking at Q3 anymore. We're looking at Q4 and Q1. So Q3, whatever happened in Q3 was already priced in the quarter before. So you already have to like think about that. If we go down, it would be because Q4 and Q1 are going to be bad. The markets are forward-looking, guys. They don't look at the current quarter. They look at the quarter that is coming, and the quarter that is coming after that, and maybe even the year that is going to be coming for us. So, say for example, the Federal Reserve says at the end of 2021, we're going to raise the rates. Then we're going to have a reaction right now. Not 1 year ago, well, not 1 year from now, literally right now, we'll have a reaction to that. So, forward-looking markets, eh? 2 more minutes left. Exciting. Yeah, I don't think the S&P is going to do a lot more than what we're seeing right now. But what I am wondering is like, what's going to happen to Tesla? We're at 409 right now. Look at that. That's so strange. Look at the 5 minutes. Even the 5 minutes looks a bit ridiculous. Oh, Tesla going up? Oh boy. Just like we predicted. Let's see what happens. Currently looking at Tesla on the 15 minutes. Let's delete that. Delete this and this. Yeah, for some brief period, it went down to 405. It was a very scary moment. I can tell you that. Yeah, Pinterest is up huge. I don't get it. I mean, obviously, people go on Pinterest when they're stuck at home, but otherwise, they would have just not used Pinterest, you know. I don't think it has lots of long-term value. Like what are they going to grow into? Like what is Pinterest going to do that is going to make their company even bigger? They're not gonna like what would they do? Like buy Fitbit or something and just like put a Fitbit on your wrist? Like, oh yeah, Pinterest. I don't think Pinterest has a lot of growing opportunities long term. Yeah, it could acquire other companies, obviously, but I'm not too optimistic about Pinterest. Could they buy Etsy? What's the market cap? Wasn't it like 30 billion or something? I'm gonna check it right now. Yeah, Etsy is a great one. Oh, by the way, we said that Neo would correct, and Neo just corrected. So anyone that saw that video and sold because of that, you're lucky. It's correcting massively right now. Pinterest and Etsy. Etsy stock. Etsy is about. Nah, they can't buy. They can't buy Etsy. I don't think they can buy Etsy. No way. They earn like what, 300 million per quarter, 600 million per quarter. Etsy is like 16 to 17 billion in market cap. They would have to issue more stock, and I don't think Pinterest is gonna buy Etsy. No way. Tesla to the moon. There we go. 411. So far, so good. It's going. This is the prediction that I drew in the last video for Tesla. Everybody was doubting me. It's like, oh, it's gonna go down to 300. Well, look at that. We didn't go to 300. We bounced at the level I said it would bounce, and hopefully we'll keep on bouncing. Markets are open, by the way, so that might be the reason we see this brief upwards movement. I'm going back to 409. I'm gonna check the market on my phone as well. US 500 is up. Nasdaq is up. Nasdaq is up like way more than the US 500. Like, that's pretty cool. I dig that. AMD is going up. Apple is going up. I got Hertz. For some reason, I bought Hertz because I got excited about Hertz. Dang it. I'm buying more of Tesla right now. I'm gonna buy a lot more Tesla. Hold on, guys. Right, I just bought some Tesla right around here. I also bought some right here and right there. So if this is the bottom, then we got the cheapest price. It does seem like in the 15 minutes we're neutral. We still see some upside movement coming up. At least you would think that from what we see here. This could keep going up. We're at 410 now. Checking my phone for the live chat. Alright, Zoom goes down. Oh, that's so sad. It's probably going to go sideways for now. You need Apple to take off. You'll have to wait until earnings. Apple is probably going to take off when earnings is announced and they report their earnings. That's going to be pretty cool to watch that happen. Apple up $2. Yeah, it's up from, I think, 111 to about 112, 113. Amazon is up. Apple is up. AMD is up. Tesla's up. Nvidia is up. Like around a percentage or two. Rolls-Royce down 12%. Wow. That is messed up. Ford is up like 6% suddenly. How about Palantir? Yeah, we didn't make a video on the pre-market. I think I did say that we would see a correction. Let's see if Palantir corrected. I think we said we would see a correction on Palantir. Am I right? Whoa! That is huge. Oh, this is, by the way, the bear side of things, so don't look too much at that. That is massively. So Palantir is at $11 right now. Really nice. Really, really nice. We filled this gap over here, and we're now 11. Yeah, I think right now we're definitely gonna correct. Wait, no, wait, never mind. We see bullish momentum, right? So hold on. Let me check the 4 hours. We're about to correct. So far, hold on. Got a message. So far it looks like it's about to see a correction. You can see this in the MACD. It's gonna come down. This is not gonna last. This is gonna come down to the 10.3 to about the $10.4. I'll be going back to Tesla. Tesla back to 411. Whoa. Guess we're rallying, guys. Look at that. MACD is looking very positive for Tesla. We could see this go up to 430 if the markets let us. If the markets won't tank, we'll see this go to 430. NIO up 6.4%. That is amazing. It's probably going to go to the $29. Let me check NIO. I think it's going to go to $29 to $30. Yeah, there we go. 29. Okay, so my prediction was for NIO, we would reach this level, and then we would come back down towards the $27.7. So until now, we've been pretty accurate. We just need to see what happens next. We're pumping. We're still pumping. I also said that watch out. We could see another breakout. So this could be the breakout. I don't think it's going to be a huge breakout. RSI is going to the oversold or overbought. I mean, this could be a big pump. But I would be careful, guys. I'll be very careful with NIO right now. If the markets take a hit, then this is going to take a hit as well. We're going to gap down. We're going to fill this. There's a gap here. But so far, so good. Amazon. Somebody said Amazon. I'll get you some Amazon. Some Amazon Prime. What is this? Come on. Yeah, the 4 hours looking a little bit bearish. Amazon is going to go sideways until earnings. Probably. It's going to go sideways until earnings unless the 1 day says differently. Yeah, it's going to go sideways until earnings, guys. Pretty much. Although we're going to see a brief pump soon on the 30 minutes as we find the bottom right there. Wait, did the markets just drop a little bit? I bet a lot of short sellers come to my videos and they comment on my videos like, yo, your Tesla prediction was wrong. I'm making a lot of money. And then literally the next day, Tesla pumps and they lose all their money. Never short Tesla, guys. At least not for the long term. You can do shorts. You see what I mean? You can do shorts whenever it goes up significantly. You can short a brief period, like about 2 to 3%. I would do 2 to 3% shorts, and after that I would just sell out of the position. We still see some bullishness, but I think the markets are coming down now. We can see this right here. We're going sideways around this level, very oversold. We're going to see a pump happen regardless of anything that will happen next. This is going to be a pump. The MACD and the RSI suggesting this. So we'll wait. I think especially Amazon and Facebook and Apple's earnings are going to impact. They're going to impact the movement, right? Where it's going to be heading. So far we're going negative. Tesla's going down now, $407.9. Oh my gosh, guys, panic. It's going down. Thoughts on Disney? Notice how the companies I'm covering are all positive while the market is going negative. Disney could potentially go down further, but it's trying to find a bottom to slowly come back up, like most big stocks right now. So this should be fine. Well, we're down huge. Damn. Oh, wow. Damn. Okay, that was the top, right? Wait, have you been... What? What? You joking? So Disney was... We were at 154 in December. Yeah, I think this could very well be this could be a buying opportunity, short-term buying opportunity until earnings, right? What do you think about Netflix? Bego says. I think Netflix will be fine. Yeah, I think we'll be fine. It will see some bullishness. Yeah, it will be fine. Netflix is fine. It's already going up a little bit. Tesla at 407.44. But I thought it was going to go up. Check it out. I think the market could go sideways until the earnings of Apple and Amazon and Facebook. If the big cap stocks report good earnings, we'll see a lot of green, like a lot of green on the whole market. Because that would mean that even during this uncertainty, big cap stocks are performing really well. That would be amazing. I'm reading the live chat. Bro, what happened to NIO's insider news that will go down to $24? It is up to $29 now. Oh my god, it went up to $29? Like I predicted on the chart in my last video? No way! No way! And it's going down now like I predicted? It's going down to 28.9 now instead of 29.4 like I said it would, like correcting. Whoa! Guys, you gotta look at the long term, not at the short term. Yes, it will go down to $24 eventually. Not immediately when the market opens, but after a couple hours or a couple days, maybe even a week or two, we'll see that $24 probably. You need to have patience with the markets. You'll never win in this game if you have the patience of a hamster. I'm just saying. I don't want to offend anyone. I don't want to offend any hamsters out there. Hamsters are pretty cute and awesome. It's almost like I called it. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, how is this surprising? It's like, oh, the MACD is about to literally go down. So, yeah, I don't know. It's just a time frame. Like, I'm having a tough time to like get the time frame right, but it would be something like that, right? This is what I meant. But yeah, anyway. Let's just put it back. Back to Tesla. Back to $408. Great, great. It wants to hold it. It wants to keep going up. Please advise on Fastly. I think Fastly, if you dollar cost average, you'll be fine with Fastly. Based off of the technicals, eh? I lost earnings with Netflix and decided to hold, not sell. I guess it was a good decision. Yeah. Pretty good decision. Netflix is gonna rock. It's gonna rock awesomely in the winter. Everybody's gonna be on Netflix. Best buys right now. Okay, so I would think Tesla is one of the best buys right now. AMD, I would say if it's still cheap. AMD is already going up. If you can get it right now, it's pretty cheap right now. So because AMD has a lot of upside, and I would say, is Google down right now? I saw Google down significantly before. Google is definitely a buy right now. Look at that. Look at that pattern. Look at that prediction. That's how we do, boys. This is what I did. I think I drew this like a couple days ago. We could still pop on earnings. I would say Google. I'm gonna buy some Google myself, actually, if I can. I'm gonna get some Google. Google is a short-term buy. We filled this gap. We should have a nice opportunity to the upside. Let me check the live chat again. See where people want me to. Oh, Fiverr. I think Fiverr was a good buy too. Oh, yeah, we predicted this move, but this one we got wrong, I guess. It went down. Why did it go down? Oh, the MACD is correcting. Oh, it's still gonna be fine though. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. Zoom is gonna go sideways until it doesn't and breaks through and goes to like 560 or something. That's basically Zoom every single time. Uh, No, I don't want to check Zoom again. It just makes me depressed. I'm kidding. But you know, I just want to check Tesla again. Right now, Apple is going up. Let me check Apple a little bit. So Apple's going the way we said it would. So far, it hit our 113 target. So now it's going to correct a little bit, correcting right now. And then it's going to go towards the 115. Tesla going up again to the 408. Come on, Tesla. Keep going up. Market's going bullish again. Wow. We need to go up. We need to bounce. The MACD wants to bounce. Look at that. It wants to bounce just like that. If this happens, we'll retrace to the at least to the 3,360s. Right around there. We'll have to wait for that. Do you think Google will rebound? Yeah, they'll definitely rebound if they split. Definitely. Netflix is looking sideways upwards. All right, guys, I see that about 80 people are watching me live right now. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. We do technical analysis. My name is Lucid Trading, and we analyze stocks to give you better guidance, better advice, the best advice I can give you. And yeah, we do this live stream. So far, we've been doing this like every single day. So if you want to join the live streams in the future, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Tap that notification button. You'll get a notification whenever I go live. Hit the thumbs up if you're enjoying the stream so far. That would be awesome. If you want to support the channel, you can also go to the Patreon to get benefits like early access consultations, buy and sell signals, Discord exclusivities, and many more benefits that are on the Patreon. You can select a couple tiers, and yeah, that's about it for the Patreon. If you want to join the community is pretty awesome. We talk about trading, finance, anything about trading and investing. Make sure you join. Link is down below. It is completely free. Discord for everybody. Make sure you join the Discord. We currently have about 200 members, so you could be one of them, and we're going to have some nice times together. Back to the stocks. Did Palantir just correct? Well, I did say that Palantir would correct, so... Yeah, there we go. There we go. Exactly like we predicted. Exactly. Literally. Okay, actually, I drew this recently, but it's about to go down. You know, it needs to go down. It went bullish, right? We need some retracements to the downside. Bottom out right there, and then we can go up again towards $12. But yeah, we'll see. You know, if the markets are very bullish, then this will be it. We'll keep going up. Oh, Tesla 406.5. No way. We're at the support line. This has to hold. And we see right now they were about to hold it. Hopefully. When you say Zoom goes sideways, it's mean like a week range. I think it's gonna go sideways until maybe next week. Then it will start going up drastically. Like the more we get closer to the winter, the more the winter gets like closer to us. COVID is gonna ramp. Then Zoom is gonna go up along with that, along with the trend of the COVID and etc. I posted your link to my friends all for Zoom, like 8 people so far. Hey, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. Abuda said that Tesla. Yeah, we're looking at Tesla right now. Nokia. I actually bought some Nokia. I did a quick play. I bought like, what was it, 100 shares of Nokia, and I sold them like for, I think it was 2 to 3% upside. It was pretty nice. What will happen to AMD? AMD, yeah. We'll go there after we see what's happening to Tesla, because I think this is a little bit more important right now. So we're seeing some bullishness on the 30 minutes. We see that we just crossed on the MACD, which is very important. This could very well be our move to the upside now. Look at that. We're going back to the 407.2. Come on, we need this retracement to the upside. We need to go to 410. 411, 410. We need to go there right now. Come on. Look at that. Bullish candles coming up. Yeah, I'll be doing some Tesla for the coming time, so no worries. If you guys give me some solid stock analysis requests, then I'll do those later. Just make sure you drop them down below in the live chat. Come on, Tesla, hold on. I bought some more Tesla. I think I might buy some more right now as well. Stonks are going up. AMD is going up, guys. AMD is going up. That is some really good news. Apple's starting to go up now. I think you could get into Square, but I would be very cautious. Small amounts, right? With Tesla, I would say you could go bigger amounts. Like Tesla is at this point, with all that's going to be happening soon, this is a nice buy. We're starting to retrace to the upside. 408. See what's happening. Come on, it needs to pump. Come on. Those are rookie numbers. Somebody, Eric Pete says Microsoft. Abel Vera says, so buys now are AMD, Apple, Netflix, Fiverr. I would say AMD is a stronger buy. Apple is a strong buy. Netflix would be it's a buy, right? It's solid. Fiverr would be okay. It's not really good right now, like before, but it's okay. I would say Tesla is a strong buy right now. If NIO goes to $25 or $24, that would be a strong buy as well. Google is looking like a short-term buy. I think Microsoft as well. I think Microsoft was pretty good right now. Hold on. I'll go back to Tesla in a second. Yeah, Microsoft is a buy. Microsoft is a strong buy at this point. Back to Tesla. Harry Wallace, heading to a second wave, yet Domino's is still down. The market is not logical at all. I think the markets are pretty logical until now. We've not, like in a crash, we're not very logical. We're very irrational. But right now it's pretty logical. I mean, maybe they priced in that Domino's would go up and now it's going down because of the priced in stuff. NIO is at $29.5. What, are you kidding? Okay, so we said in a previous video we hit the 29.5 to about 30, and then we would come back down. So, or it's a breakthrough. This could either be that or a breakthrough, and it's looking so far like it's going to go to $30. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Yeah, that's definitely RSI is overbought, so expect it to go down. MACD has got some space to go. Is this the pump? This could be a small pump to $30 or $32. So far, so good. Oh my gosh, it's still going up. Look at that volume. Look at that volume, guys. Those are institutions buying in. Yeah, this is going to go to $35 if this keeps on going. We haven't seen such volume since the pump right here, right? So if the volume keeps increasing, then this will definitely be a move to the $30, $35. But we'll have to see, you know, this could be a fake out. Dead cat bounce, you know. All right, let's move back to Tesla. You guys should update me whenever NIO goes up. Tesla going up as well. Look at that, holding that support line like we said we would. Looking good so far. Looking good so far. Going to the 410? Are we going to the 410? 409.7. It keeps going up. Hold on, checking the live stream in a second. Okay, so I'm checking your comments now. Zoom less than $496. Wow, that's insane. I think Microsoft might reach like very near to its all-time high very soon. Zoom sub 500. Well, okay. Let me just take a look at Zoom very briefly. Tesla's looking like it's holding. Zoom. See if we see anything. Wow, that's a big sell-off. That is a very big sell-off. That is not just a normal sell-off. This is something must have happened. Some kind of news. You guys can search it up. Something happened. This kind of sell-off doesn't happen like randomly. You got to check the news. But this is damn. This is such a I think Zoom right now is a buying opportunity, like a strong buying opportunity at 496. Dollar cost average. Back to Tesla. Tesla still struggling to get above the 410. We'll have to see what happens next. Zoom is crashing because something happened. I don't know. Some kind of news. You got to check it out. It shouldn't be crashing right now. Searching Google. Why is Zoom down? Zoom news. Sometimes it happens, guys. It happened to Tesla. We had some very bad news. 30,000 cars were getting recalled from China. And that pushed the stock towards the 400s. That was about a 4 to 5% move. Just like with Zoom today, they're down 3 to 4%, while the markets are going up now. So it's probably some bad news coming out for Zoom. What's happening to NIO? $29.7. Yeah, I would say it would correct now. So not too special. It's either breakout or it's just a fake out. You know, like It's probably gonna come back down and correct to the $28, $27 level, just around there, you know. Which is pretty crazy because that would be about 6-7%. Oh, we're at 409 again. So far, holding the trend line that we drew. Come on. Oh my gosh, come on. It's going negative right now. Is Apple going to 115? Let me check my portfolio. Oh wow, my whole portfolio is going up. AMD, guys? What? AMD is literally carrying my portfolio. AMD is skyrocketing. Look at that. Look at that. Damn, bruh. That is amazing. It is gonna correct a bit, but then this is really nice. Looks like the institutions are catching on. Really nice move for AMD. Incredible. Now back to Tesla. Struggling at the 409. Markets are neutral. Yeah, it's going up a bit. So AMD carrying the portfolio so far. Apple going to, yeah, Apple's going up 2.5%, just like we said it would. And I can view it for you right now. So far, we're holding the trend. We're holding this. Okay, it's going to bounce back off. It's going to correct now. Then it's going to go up to the 115. We just need a good move on Tesla. Like, come on. Let's check the 1 hours for Tesla. Yeah, that's looking good. Guys, Tesla's about to bounce huge. Like, if we take a look at the 1 hour, this is very, very positive. The next hour coming up is going to be very positive for Tesla. If you want to get in on Tesla, I think this price is not bad. It's not bad. 2 hours signaling the same, very bullish. About to go very bullish. 3 hours signaling the same. 4 hours signaling the same. Same movement happening on the hourly. Daily is signaling the same, about to be bottoming very, very soon. This is going to be a move, like I said in the videos, this is going to be a move towards 450s, 460s, etc. and above, right? For the end of the week. We just need the markets to hold this level. If they stay at this level right now, if the S&P, if this doesn't go down further, this is going to happen for Tesla. We're going to skyrocket. I'm telling you right now. Don't act surprised when it goes up like 10% today and tomorrow in total. I told you guys right now, you know. We're at 411. There we go. The pump. The pump. And remember, guys, we drew this line. We drew this in the morning, like a couple hours ago. We didn't have these candles yet. So, just saying, technicals do matter. Just like size does. Size of your portfolio. Can you discuss AMD, please? Well, okay, so if you got AMD right now, and you got like a rocket, and you would have like Lisa Su, and she would be like inside the rocket, this rocket would have a lot of fuel, like enough to go to the moon. That is basically AMD right now. Skyrocketing, it's gonna skyrocket to the moon, honestly. I would say AMD is gonna reach $85 either by the end of this week, or it's gonna get there by the end of next week. So $85 is in sight. If the markets are bullish, we're gonna see $90 to about $94, definitely. If the markets are extremely bullish, we're gonna go to $100 by the end of next week. So getting in on AMD right now is not too bad of a choice. And we can see the S&P is going up, Tesla's going up. I think, oh my god, Apple is going up to the 115 like we said. But I'm curious what NIO is doing. I think NIO is like skyrocketing. Yeah, there we go. Did we hit the 30? We hit the 30. We hit the 30. Holy moly, that's amazing. That is amazing. Okay, we're right around the level where we said that we would correct, so this could very well be the correction, guys. I would sell out. I'm going to short NIO very briefly if I can. I'm going to short NIO very, very briefly. I really hope it doesn't skyrocket from here. I put a small amount in there. I'm going to short NIO to about... I'll have to look at this. I'll have to short NIO to about... I'll short it till the $28.75, right? What's happening on the Discord? Gara, your predictions are coming true. Wow. I'm a wizard. No, I'm kidding. I'm not a wizard. I'm just using technical analysis. I'm making projections based off of the technical analysis. Hold on. Wait, give me 1 second, guys. Right, okay, so you can hear me now. You can hear me now. So let's see. Pumping to 411. I'm going to check some other stocks that you guys mentioned. Netflix. Netflix down huge. It's like the COVID stocks are down because apparently there's a lot of positivity out there, GDP growth, jobs coming back, etc. So that's why some COVID stocks, Netflix, I would consider one of the COVID stocks. Stay-at-home stocks. S&P right now chilling. It's chilling, about to go up. About to go up. I was telling you guys this is gonna bottom. This is gonna start going up. Tesla still at 411. I think the markets are going to pump massively at earnings for Amazon, Facebook, and Apple, etc. So that's going to be very interesting too. Amazon skyrocketing? No way. That would be amazing. This is not skyrocketing. it's getting there. I mean, it's starting to go up again after this down move. But yeah, it's about to go ballistic to the upside. So we're looking at 3,300. So if it could go up now, please. Did we, guys? Did we have the earnings for Amazon right now? Well, bad news for Zoom would be that the economy is better than expected. And on top of that, if COVID is not running rampant, you can see this in the statistics. If COVID is slowing, then that is bad for Zoom. So you have to keep that in mind. You have to always check the COVID numbers. That is bad news. So that would be the bad news, not the company news, but just, are we going to stay in a lockdown? Are we going to go into lockdown? Yes or no? If it's yes, then Zoom goes up. If it's no, then Zoom goes down to normal valuation. Am I on mute? Hello, hello. Okay. I'm not on mute. Tesla, 411. 411. Come on, we're still following the pattern that we drew. We just needed to keep going. Maybe we'll go up like parabolic. The 1 hour looking bullish. 4 hours looking bullish. Even the daily is about to go bullish. I'm a little bit concerned about the weekly, but let's just never look at the weekly again. I hate this. And I'm like super concerned about the monthly because we're about to see like massive corrections happening in January and February. This is gonna go down so much, I'm telling you. It's going to be such an incredible, it is going to be such an incredible buying opportunity in January. January and February, usually to March, January to March are like the worst quarters for Tesla. So we'll see some amazing buying opportunities, like amazing buying opportunities for that. I think selling NIO right now, where is it at right now? It isn't a bad idea. I mean, I sold a little bit at around, what was it, 28.8. I mean, yes, we got this huge push to the upside. However, there is a huge probability that NIO is going to come crashing down towards the 25, 26. It's going to happen very soon. Why am I saying this? I think it was the daily. Look at the daily. Look how long we have been bullish. Do you see this? That's a very long time period. On top of this, MACD, right? This pattern, we've seen this before right here. This cannot stay that way. Usually it will come back down just like we did here and there. What does that mean? That's a 20 to 30% retracement. So very soon you'll get NIO at around, it will fill this gap right here. So we could see a possible retracement towards the $22 to $24 range for NIO stock, maybe before earnings or after. But it's going to happen because NIO right now, what's the market cap? 30 billion. How many cars do they produce? They're the same valuation as Ford. Yes, it's not only a car company, but their major revenue comes from that, and they're burning a lot of money. So they're pretty volatile. They could drop 30%, gain 30%. So at these valuations to sell, that's a very good thing. You want to take your profits. You don't want to end up holding the bag. You want to take profits as much as you can at the higher levels so that you can buy more when it corrects later on. That's what we do. We buy low, we sell high. We buy low, we sell high. That's what we do. Back to Tesla at 410. Ah, come on. Still following the trend line though. Still following the trend line. So far, so good. Apple going down a bit. Markets are going down a bit. So that's a bit unfortunate. Let's see how my NIO short is going so far. NIO short is going... it's not going that good, but I think we're going to come down soon on NIO. Look at that. Wow, it's... Dang it. Tesla at 410.86, 1.19% up. We're about to see a huge rally for Tesla. 4 hours indicating this. The 1 hour is indicating this, right? There's going to be a huge rally. Look at the MACD. Look at that. Look how low the MACD is. It's literally bottomed at 404, which is a strong support, historically speaking. Very strong support. We can see it right around there. And RSI is low. It's a little bit below neutral. For Tesla to be there, that's pretty low, right? And on top of this, markets are about to go bullish because of the big correction. GDP growth is higher than expected. So we should expect some really bullish moves on Tesla. Let me check how many people are watching right now. 92 people. Wow, that's amazing, guys. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. My name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading, and I pretty much cover stocks. I do the technical analysis for stocks, and I try to give you the best guidance, the best value when it comes to projecting the future for stocks. So if you like that, then hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, because then you'll get notifications whenever I go live. And on top of that, click the bell icon so you get a notification, like a proper notification for when I go live. And if you want to support my channel, I also have a Patreon, which is in the description. You can click the link and it will bring you to Patreon. You'll get many benefits like early access, consulting, buying, selling signals, posts, updates, Discord exclusives, shout outs, Q&As, and many more things at the Patreon. So check it out if you want to help the channel. And on top of this, guys, there's also going to be a Discord you can join, a community where you could be part of the Pact. And we talk about trading, we talk about finance, we talk about investing, many more things. And yeah, feel free to join. Links are in the description for the Patreon and the Discord. See how many people are watching now. I bet like people left. Yeah, 3 people left. Usually when I do that, some people leave, which is fine. I mean, I get that. All right, so 410.12. Yeah, we're still going sideways. 1 hour is about to go bullish though. At the least, we should see ourselves go to 430. Similar, well, actually, never mind. I mean, 422, 423 short term. So we'll look at this right now, for now, around this level. Nothing happening, but we'll have to see what the stock market is doing on top of this. Can you look at the S&P 500? Yeah, for sure. S&P is going up. It's going up towards the trend line that we drew. This trend line is very significant for the S&P 500 because, as you can see, the S&P, okay, we'll go back a little bit. So the S&P holds this trend line many times. It's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. This will be the 4th time. Usually it breaches it a little bit. This was in March. We breach it. We always come back to the trend line. Always. It wants to hug this trend line. Unless we crash. Because that's a different story, right? We had this trend line formed around in March. it probably has a lot to do with the fact that the Federal Reserve is pumping the assets classes with the same amount every month, which would create a trend line, right? So it's a pattern. And it also has to do with the cyclicality of the stock market, right? We have huge rallies, then we correct. Huge rallies, then we correct. And we have higher highs, higher lows. So far, it's looking bullish. We can also see that we're about to be getting a huge move on the 1 hour to the upside. Just waiting for that, you know. Oh, guys, I'm going to be streaming for 10 more minutes and then I'm going to take a rest. I would have streamed for about 1.5 hours, which is quite nice, you know. But yeah, if you got any questions, if you want me to do any stock analysis, then make sure you hit it down in the chat. I'm going to mute my mic. I'm going to go to the toilet and I'll be right back to do another analysis for you guys. Hello, hello. I hope you guys can hear me. So I'll do some more analyses. Let's check the chat. Workhorse, Zoom, Apple. If Tesla goes up, NIO goes up, yes. Usually, yeah. Wow, the SPY is really pumping. Look at that. Very nice. It's probably going to go up a percentage or two, maybe even 3. I'm going to check NIO briefly. Yeah, NIO's coming back down now. Hit a high of 30.18. Oh, this looks disgusting. It was like that. And what did we say? Workhorse. That's work. Although we did predict pretty cool. Workhorse. Oh, yeah. This was right there. So I said we would pump on Workhorse. And it seems like we're pumping. Yeah, this is gonna pump towards the $20 probably. Maybe even the $23. 20 to 23. Like in this range it's gonna pump. And maybe even reach the 24, possibly the 27. It's all gonna depend on the market sentiment. Like the S&P is going up really, really nicely. So this could pretty much like pump us to around this range. 22 to 24 could happen. Oh, my phone is almost empty. A lot of people saying Zoom. Check Zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Tesla at 411. Yeah. Glenn says, good content. If people find this channel, I think your followers will explode. Oh, thank you, man. I hope it will explode to the moon. Skyrocket to the moon, you know? Okay, Zoom. All right, we're going to check Zoom. Everybody wants Zoom. Workhorse doing really fine now. This MACD is gonna come back up just like that. Workhorse, I said it was a buying opportunity back when it was like very low, so we wanted Zoom, right? 494. This is a nice small buying opportunity for the winter. It's gonna go further. It might go further. It might go down to 490 to 485. Yeah, 480 possibly because we have some gaps right there. But yeah, that would be a very nice buy. I would dollar cost average into Zoom. Although we did break the trend line, so maybe if we adjust the trend line, that looks awful, but we'll go with that. This could bounce on that level. Nah, this is not going to bounce on that level, is it? I think it has some room to go. Yeah. 4% down while the market is up like a percentage point. That's crazy. But yeah, I would dollar cost average into Zoom for the winter and then get out of there as soon as possible because it seems like COVID is about to come to an end. And when that happens, the holy the holy grail that Zoom has will just evaporate. Zoom will just become a normal tech company again. Apple going up, just like we said. It's gonna go up really high, so be prepared. Possibly 5%, 5 to 10%. Amazon going up really high. We'll just have to wait for this one. Abuda says, what do you think could make me a 80% gain in 7 months? If you gamble, if you go to the casino, it could happen, right? You said could. So if you go to the casino and you have some luck, you could get a 50% right now. No, I'm just kidding, but 80% in like 7 months? Wow. What stock could get you 80%? I can't think of anything that will double, but I can think of something that will give you 20%. And if you're like leveraged, like times 5, you could get like 100% in 7 months. I have leveraged contracts for Tesla, so I'll get like 100% if Tesla goes to like 460, 480, somewhere around there. So I'm doing that. I'm not suggesting anyone to do that. It's pretty dangerous. So yeah, I don't have any good suggestions for you, man. Aston Martin. Can I find it? Is this it? I think this is it. Is this it? Is this it though? Yeah, this is it. This is it, right? I think Aston Martin is so low in price point, relatively speaking to its revenue, that we would see a significant bounce, possibly towards the. This is in pounds, I believe, or euros. €1, €2. It could go up significantly, but it's a risky bet. This is really risky. I love Aston Martin. I love the brand. But this is a very risky one. But this would get you 80% very, very easily, especially if they release electric sports vehicles soon, which they are working on. Photosynthesis. I always enjoy the analysis you provide each morning. Much appreciated. Well, you're much appreciated as well. Thank you so much. IPOB all over the place. I'm all over my head right now. IPOB. What is that? I'm gonna try to help you out. Yeah, you're fine. As long as it's not gonna go bankrupt. If you know it's not gonna go bankrupt because of like, if the fundamentals are solid, this is even looking like a buy right now because it's about to bottom. Same for the RSI. It's about to move higher. So this is gonna look pretty fine. Gonna rally slowly, bit by bit. On the 4 hour, right? So I'm just gonna check the daily. Yeah, this is about the bottom. It's about to bottom very soon. wouldn't be too scared about that. If this is the right ticker. NIO going crazy. Is NIO going higher? Tesla's not going higher. Nah, NIO's fine. It's wait, hold on. It's at yeah, no, it's fine. It's gonna come back down. It's gonna correct. Oh guys, make sure you check the Patreon. My Patreon link is in the description. I would really appreciate the donations. It would really help out with the channel. It would help out with the growth, with the equipment, and on top of that, you get so many benefits like early access, consulting, buy and sell signals and updates, and Discord exclusivities, Q&As, etc. Many benefits on the Patreon. A link is down below. You have many tiers you can choose from. Obviously, these are a bit more expensive for the consultations, but most people join these, and I would really appreciate that, guys. And on top of that, guys, make sure you join the Discord. Discord link is going to be in the description. We have about 200 people in the Discord right now. If you want to join, feel free to do so. We talk about stocks, we talk about investing, about trading. We even post memes. So if you want to join, feel free to do so, guys. Link of the Discord down below, and the link of the Patreon also in the description with that. I also have a link to my Twitter account if you want to follow me on Twitter, so feel free to do so. How many people are watching right now? I'm like curious. 82 people. Wow. Guys, welcome to the live stream. My name is Lucid Trading, and I do technical analysis for you guys to give you the best guidance you can possibly get on the internet. But yeah, unfortunately enough, I was going to go in 10 minutes, and it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to do one more stock request. One more. So give me one stock request, and I'll do that. If everybody wants that one stock request, I'll analyze that stock like mad. So give me one stock request, I'll analyze it thoroughly. Looking at the chat right now. Keep going, guys. I want to see some solid stock requests. Apple, Amazon, NIO, PayPal. Poor Zoom. Look at that. It's a buying opportunity, though. I would dollar cost average into this. This looks very similar to what we saw right there. I think it was right there. I mean, yeah, right there. Very similar to that. And then we went sideways, and then we had an upwards move in the winter. AMD, Amazon, Fastly. Isaac says, good job. Thank you. Pinterest. Okay, so far, I think AMD is the most likely candidate. We see Nvidia, Hertz, Apple, Amazon. Don't expect much from the market today. I don't know what was that, but some. Nvidia, IPOB, PayPal, please, Amazon. Lots of people want to see Amazon. Okay, guys, I'm going to do Amazon. AMD is going to go to the moon anyway, so. Alright, so what do I think will happen for Amazon? Amazon looking bullish on the 30 minutes. It's going to go up huge on the 30 minutes. Amazon bullish on the 1 hour. It's going to go up huge on the 1 hour. 2 hours. Amazon is going to go up huge. 4 hours. Amazon is going to have a bad time until the announcement. So it will go sideways until the announcement. One day, Amazon is going to go up huge after the announcement or on the announcement. Right? That's what I'm seeing with the RSI, with the MACD. Alright, so I don't have a lot of time left, so guys, if you want to help me out, support me on the Patreon. Would be awesome. Would be very appreciated. And if you want to join the Discord link is down below in the description, along with the Patreon link. Guys, I think I'm gonna finish the live stream now. It's been a while, like almost 2 hours, so hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I stream live. Make sure you do that. I would really appreciate that. And on top of that, you'll get notified for the next live streams and videos. All right, guys, this was Lucid Trading. I hope you have a very nice trading day. I'll be uploading more videos today, later on, around market close. So stay tuned, be subscribed. You'll get a notification for the upcoming videos. All right, guys, have a nice day.